Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to manage inventory on Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Now, how do you manage your inventory? The first thing that you want to do is go to your product. So right here on the left side, you will see product. Just click on product and you will see all of your products right here. Now let's just select a product, this one. As we scroll down right here on our product, we will see the inventory section. What you want to do is simply check this track quantity option. When you check this track quantity option, it means that inventory management has started. You can also uncheck or check the option that says continue selling when out of stock. So let's say that your product has already run out of stock. You can still sell it and you can fulfill the order for that customer when you have gained new stock. And click on save. Now let's head over to our inventory overview. On the left hand side, you will see inventory just below the menu of our products. Now you will see all of our products right here. You will see the list of products, their SKU and whether they are available or out of stock. You will see it right here. Also, you can toggle the location from where this inventory is sourced. As you can see, I have my shop location. This is from the apps. When you scroll down, you can see managing inventory. You can simply click here and it will redirect to an article in the Shopify Help Center right here. In this section, you will see getting started with inventory, managing inventory quantities, inventory transfers, purchase orders, ABC inventory analysis, and understanding inventory management. You can check out all these articles if you are confused about something. Now, here on our inventory page, we can also export and import. Let's say we are going to export this inventory. You can select only available quantities or all quantity types, current page or all variants, CSV file for Excel numbers, or export as a plain CSV. Here I choose plain CSV file. Now click on export variant and it will be downloaded. When you open the CSV file, it will look like this. As you can see, this is your inventory in an Excel file. This is the title and the handles. You will also see the options right here, name, value, SKU and the variations. Now if you want to import your inventory, you can simply edit files in the Excel like this and turn it into a CSV file. So let's just go back to Shopify and click on import. Now you need a CSV file. So on your Excel, just save it as CSV file and now you can add it to your inventory. You can export and import files from your inventory. We can also add another location. So let's just go to our settings and select locations. As you can see, I have a custom locations and shop location right here. You can simply add a new location right here by clicking on add location. And when you add one, you can simply hover it right here in your inventory. So this is the inventory, this is all the product in this specific location. So that is what you need to know. If you added a new location, you want to make sure that only the products in that specific location are here in your inventory to avoid confusions. Also, I will show you how to create purchase order. Click the purchase order below the inventory. Now click the button create purchase order. Now you can see all the details that you need to fill in. After filling all of these details like your payment teams, your supplier, currency, estimated arrivals, shipping carrier, tracking number, tags and many more, and filling up all these details, you can select save as draft. So that's how you can create your purchase order on your Shopify account. And there you have it. Managing your inventory with Shopify doesn't have to be a daunting task. Whether you are adjusting quantities, creating purchase orders, or tracking inventory across multiple locations, Shopify tools make it simple and efficient. Make sure to stay consistent with your inventory checks to avoid stockouts and keep your customer happy. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you are looking for a Shopify agency to help you further, call us at this number or visit makuae.com. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.